Have you deleted or lost contacts on your iPhone and don't want to restore the whole device? In this video, I'll show you how to recover them from an iTunes or Finder backup without losing any data. If you've ever synced your iPhone to your computer with iTunes or Finder, a backup was created automatically. With iBackup Extractor, you can open that backup, browse its contents, and selectively extract just the data you need without doing a full restore. Here's how it works. First, install and open iBackup Extractor on your PC or Mac. You can get it on the Microsoft Store and the Mac App Store. Select the backup you want to explore. If it's encrypted, enter the backup password to unlock it. Your password isn't saved or shared and the backup stays encrypted. Click Contacts to see all the contacts stored in the backup. Select all the entries you want to recover, then choose an export format. You can save your contacts as vCards, which exports them as VCF files, ideal for importing into iCloud. Or save as a CSV file, which allows you to add them to Google Contacts, Outlook, and other contact managers. Once you've exported your contacts, you're in control. Now let's add them back to your iPhone. If you exported your contacts as VCF files, you can easily add them to your iPhone using iCloud. To do this, log into iCloud.com on your computer and open Contacts. Next, locate the VCF files you exported with iBackup Extractor. Then drag and drop them into the contacts list in iCloud to add them to your account. Finally, go to Settings on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID, then choose iCloud and make sure Contacts is turned on. Within moments, your contacts will reappear on your iPhone, just like that. Contacts exported as a CSV file can be restored using Google Contacts. Go to contacts.google.com and sign in. Click Import. Then upload the CSV file you made with iBackup Extractor. The contacts will be added to your account instantly. Next, on your iPhone, open Settings, tap Apps, and select Contacts. Then tap Accounts and make sure your Gmail account is added with Contacts Syncing enabled. Once sync is on, your contacts will appear on your iPhone. So that's how to recover deleted iPhone contacts from a backup without erasing your device or doing a full restore. To recover contacts or other data from your iPhone backups, download iBackup Extractor using the link in the description or visit wideanglesoftware.com.